بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now, initially, we'll discuss about some of the basic security features. Like one of them is like disabling the unused ports. Like, let's say this is my switch, and typically most of the switches supports around 24 ports or even more than that. Now, maybe most of these ports you have some pre cabling done, which goes through different cabins, and maybe there are some stations where there is no computer connected. Now, probably one of my employee or some user can actually use these ports without the knowledge. Maybe he just connect his computer to this particular port where you have a wire already, and he can try to connect to the network. And if this port is configured to some VLAN, which means this user will be getting an IP address, and then he will be able to access the resources of that particular VLAN. So it's always recommended to make sure that identify what are the ports we are not using and they are not connected in general, and make sure that they are in a shutdown state, because the default port status of the switches will be no shutdown, and it's recommended to configure the ports in shutdown state which are not in use. And of course, the ports which are in use, you can make them up in general.